Next question, Shalom Rav. The birthday of a person can be compared to a particular Yom Kippur. In order to be closer to Hashem and ask for forgiveness, is it also applied to other people? Should a person ask for forgiveness to other people on his birthday?
I never heard that birthday is compared to Yom Kippur. I know that when people get married, so it's like a newborn baby, but Yom Kippur, birthday, maybe, I don't know. So I would say that as our Mishnah says, so us do Teshuvah meaning ask forgiveness. So when you ask forgiveness is a part of the Teshuvah, right? There is a sins between man and Makom in HaShem, and between man and Chavera, meaning his friend, right? So when it's between the friends, I mean the fellows, not friends, fellow, right? So when we offend him or her, whatever he did, we must do restitutions. Whatever we broke the fence and whatever it cost $300, we must give $300 or build it, whatever, arrange it, do something. But then we have to ask forgiveness. So it's part of the Teshuvah. So what is a good day to do Teshuvah? So our sages say in Pirkei was the day before you die. And sages says this Rabbi. So but the person does not know the day. But he does. He says exactly. Do it today because maybe tomorrow he's going to die. So to wait until the birthday to ask somebody forgiveness, I don't think it's a good idea. Maybe you're going to forget. Maybe the person is not going to be available. Right. So the personal story, I was planning to visit my uncle. My uncle, he lives, I don't know, like 4 hours drive. You used to live 4 hours drive, and I would say maybe on this holiday, before that holiday, maybe on this long weekend, this and that, and then it was never good. Like for some years, I'd never visit him. Unfortunately, I came only to his funeral. Right, even though it's only 4.5 hour drive, I don't remember. Whatever. So technically, you can drive on one day, visit him. He was sick. I meet so and come back, listen to the classes for like while you're driving. I never done it. You understand? So I mean, it's always in my mind. Like if you decide. So mother, because if you wait until Yom Kippur, until your birthday to ask forgiveness, that's not a good idea. I don't know, maybe the person is not going to be there. Maybe the damage is going to be so big. So if you would ask forgiveness months later, so it's one thing. But if your birthday is 12 months away, so it's totally different thing. Yes.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So since the question was a little long, I was reading it by parts. I had to dissect it. The next part of the question says, should a person attend to their relatives in order to give them kavod if they don't speak to the person? This in the case that the birthday person wants to serve Hashem, even if these people are not nice to him or
Not ever. Relatives, could you please read again? I apologize.
Sure. Should the person attend to their relatives in order to give them kavod if they don't speak to the person?
Absolutely not. I mean, I'm not sure why would somebody think. Even the two parents, they don't want your respect, so don't pay them respect. Okay, because why? They won't talk to you, they don't like you for whatever reason. So if you can apologize or rectify the issue, yeah, you do. But if don't, so don't. Okay. So, but okay, so let's continue, please. So, relatives, it's totally you're not required to respect any relatives. Parents, yes. Grandparents, maybe. Others, absolutely not. Go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. I believe our friend is trying to say, let's say a person or someone's parents are on his birthday, on their birthday, but they don't speak to each other. So our friend is asking if this person should attend to this people's birthday party, for example, I don't know, and in case these people want to serve Hashem, but there's still this problem that there's like some feud between them two.
I think
I don't
like no, it's a totally different question. So even like to come to them as we're learning before, like it can provoke them to speak Lashon Hara about you or somebody else, right? So somebody, he comes, she comes now, right? All of this time, where was she, where was he, stuff like that. That's who needs that. So meaning you trying to be nice, coming, you provoke other people to speak Lashon Hara, right? So like if you're not welcome, say Baruch Hashem, so I'm not welcome. So if you like, usually when you want to make up with a person, try to like do it on an individual basis, not in front of other people. Why? Because you provoke other people to speak bad about you, or bad about that person. I say your aunt or whatever, your mother is not right, whatever she did. I don't know how it's possible that parents like can hate their children, but unless they are like very bad, very like disastrous kids, but that's a different story. So try not to provoke anybody. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think if I kind of make a good example for this question. The thing is, I don't really manage to understand if our friend is talking about the person of the example being the one that is on his birthday or his relatives. I didn't get to.
No, but I think we cover both situations. First, that's how I understood. First, it's a person's birthday, and now he wants or she wants on their birthday to pacify somebody, or it was somebody else's birthday party, and then you come, and now the whole family together, and maybe they're going to accept you. So I mean, unless you have exceptional family, they all Talmidei Chachamim, they're going to speak Lashon Hara about you, about your family, about your mother, about your brother. We need that.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Girlfriend says yes, the person does on its birthday.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So the first version, okay, we got, but we cover all of the situations. Okay, that's good. No problem. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. So in regards to this question that our friend made about birthday, there's this costume. I don't know if this on Chabadniks. From Chabadniks, that they kind of read the Teilah that is concerning to the age that they have, but plus one. Yeah. Let's say if I'm turning 32, then I'll have to read Tehillim 33. So is this like a legit thing, or is this like a?
It's Chabad thing. I mean, okay. They do things.